Natural weed killer for lawns. When it comes to controlling weeds in the lawn, a variety of natural options may be combined using items found in the pantry. After taking care of the weeds, work to replace those empty areas with new grass in order to stop the weeds from returning. Acid-based killer. A mix of 4 ounces of lemon juice and 1 quart of cider or plain white vinegar makes an acid-based weed killer suitable for use in the yard. This mixture should be sprayed directly on the weed. Household product combination. Mix 2 teaspoons of dishwasher detergent, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 6 teaspoons of salt, 5 teaspoons of vinegar and 1 liter of boiling water to make a brew of natural weed killer. This should be used as quickly as possible after being mixed in order to take advantage of the hot water. Sodium. Table salt or rock salt kills dandelions and other weeds. Just as salt makes humans thirsty, it dries out the cells of the plants, eventually killing them. A small amount may be sprinkled on an offending weed. Note, however, that salt kills earthworms and other organisms that are beneficial to lawns. Hot water. Water heated to a boil also kills weeds. Use caution when applying it to weeds, however, because the hot water can kill other nearby plants that you may not want to damage. Pulling by hand. When household sprays, hot water and salt don't work, some weeds are best tackled by simply being removed by hand. A variety of lawn and garden hand tools may be used to remove weeds.